Welcome to HQR. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to submit pre- and post-operative survey data for the THA and TKA measures. From the dashboard, go to the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Select Data Submissions. Select the Pro-PM tab on the top. You can either enter data by selecting the File Upload or completing the data form. Please note that only data submitted to production, not test, will be included in your submission. To enter data using the data form, select the Data Form tab on the top of the page. Find the program you wish to enter data for. Select Launch Data Form. Use the Year section in the drop-down menu to choose for which year you'll be entering data. There are two types of surveys: pre-operative and post-operative. Pre-operative survey submission periods for a given year will open first. Post-operative survey submissions for that same year will open a calendar year after the pre-op survey submission period opens. This means that a post-operative submission period for 1 year will be open at the same time as the pre-operative submission period for the following year. You can use the drop-down to switch between time periods and data for the appropriate submission period. The process for entering pre-operative data and post-operative data is similar. We're going to demonstrate entering pre-operative data, so we will select the Start button to enter data for pre-operative surveys. Now we're on the data entry page. Enter your patient survey data into the form and select Submit. If a data element is left blank when you hit Submit, you will receive a message informing you that missing responses may impact measure outcomes and prompting you to enter more data. From here, you can choose to enter the missing responses, continue with the submission as is, or close the modal. For mandatory submission periods, all data will be required. Once you select Submit, you'll see the patient survey listed in the table. You can edit, delete, or export the survey by selecting the Utility menu and selecting an option here. To add another survey, select Add Patient Survey. To return to your full list of surveys, select Pro-PM Index page at the top left corner. Here you'll see the survey submission periods and a count of surveys submitted for each. To see a list of surveys submitted for a submission period, select the View button. To submit surveys by uploading files, select Data Submissions at the top to take you to the main page. You can upload files in two formats, XML and CSV. Now select the submission type. We'll select Production. Please note that only data submitted under the production are included in your submission. Go to the Select Files button. Select the file you would like to upload, then select Open. The file will appear in the table with the status of Upload Started. When file upload has successfully completed, this changes to Accepted with a green check mark. If the file is rejected, you can select to download a CSV file with error messages. Files may also be partially accepted, meaning that one or more rows was accepted, but one or more was also rejected. You may review your file too and resubmit as needed. And that's it! Look for more quick tutorials at hqr.cms.gov/support.